Hello guys, today we are gonna make this design by Flutter. As you see, there are so much containers. So that's why we will make the body as stack. Let us start. Inside the stack I will make children. Then container. It will be the image container. Give it width and height. Then decoration, put image inside it. Now we gonna make the image take all screen, by making fit equal, boxFit dot cover. Okay, now we will make the bottom container. First we will use the positioned widget. Then we'll give to it bottom 1. Then child container. Give it width and height. Then color inside. Box decoration. Then border radius to make its shape circular. Then we'll make child of container. Row. Because all widget inside this container was horizontal. First element we have is photo for airbodes. Then we will add the text inside the column. We have the price under the text. Give style to text to make it appear, color white, and make the main axis alignment of column be in center. Then sized box to make space between two text. Then make container. Give it color and width and height as you see. Color from ARBG. Okay, now child is row because inside the container there are icon and text. As you see, make style for text. Color white. And the main axis for the row will be center. Now we finish this column. Do not forget we just need icon beside all of this, so we will put this icon after column and inside the row. The give to it color white and wrap it with padding. Top equal 40 and left 2. Now make another position for the top container. Give it top 60. And right 5 and left 2. Then give to container width and height and color. Color gonna be with opacity, because we need it little dark. I hope you get the point, guys. Okay, now we gonna make border radius. And then make another position. This for containers inside this big container, so it will have the same top. Just difference in color, it will be little dark. This small container have icon inside, arrow, back icon and color is white. Now make sized box to make spaces between these two container. As you will see now. Now another position and same top too, but be careful it gonna has different. Left. Then color as you know. Here we have icon with text beside each other, so we will make the child row. Give to it icon. Headphones icon and give to it color white. After that the text. And inside it write headphones. Give it style as you want. It is up to you. We will make main axis. For the row space around. To make spaces between icon and the text. Now last small container. Top same but right no right must be small, because we need it in the last, here as you see. Make child icon clear and give to it color white. The last position we gonna make. This position. Give it top 300, because we need it in the middle of the page. And the same color of the big container. Give container border radius. Then the child gonna be column, because all are vertical. We will make width and height so small to make it a small circuit. And main axis for column will be center. Then repeat this container which you make twice. Just change the color. Take the color and paste it into another container. Oh sorry guys, we need to make the main axis for column is space around. Yeah, here we go. Now we will just change the icons. First icon named AC_unit. Another icon named Sunny as you see. Here finally we finish. Wait for the next video, we will make another good design by Flutter. See you later guys.